Double Take Auto Supply in Fremont. Our repeat customers with supercars like this Audi R8 would never ride around without protecting the paint from damage that will occur without protection on the high impact areas like your hood, front bumper, and side fenders with our 10-year paint protection film. Next, our ceramic coatings offer 4 core benefits. No more waxing, saving you so much time and money. Makes cleaning a breeze, great UV protection, and this incredible shine. Who would not want to enjoy this? A wax cannot compete. When you're looking for the best protection for your supercar, contact Double Take Auto Supply in Fremont today. Thanks for watching.